Today, we are exploring Disneyland Paris. We are so excited to be spending the entire day here, and even though this falls in the middle of our Paris trip, we cannot wait to eat all the foods, go on all the rides, and experience as much of Disneyland here in Paris as we can. And if you want to see other stuff to do in Paris, you can watch this video up here.
We made it to Disney World!
Now for the logistics. To get to Disneyland, we each paid €250 to ride the train that brought us right to the entrance. Tickets were about $75 each during spring break in March, and for all the extra things like snacks, well, we'll have those listed down in this video. So there are 5 main areas here at Disneyland Paris. The first one we're going to is Discoveryland because
I want to go on Space Mountain.
Show them what it is.
A Mickey vignette.
Aww.
Did you eat his ear?
Ah.
Not moving very fast being under attack.
C'est fait more trouble in Saturn 9.
S'il vous plaît, vous asseoir au fond de vos sièges. Votre barre de protection va s'abaisser.
What did he say? I'm ready, I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win. Wow, I must have hit a good target.
Why?
I got 15,000.
What? I didn't get it. Oh my gosh.
Who won?
Tyler won by like triple.
This is the one ride I want to do. Hyperspace Mountain is called here in Paris. I'm so excited.
Et découvrez les gardiens de la paix en action. Il faudra peut-être lancer un diagnostic système. Avancez.
Préparez à passer en hyperespace temporel.
Oh, that's upside down. Oh my god.
Deborah got sick, but I had so much fun.
I'm so nauseous right now. There were so many like loops in there.
And like to start it off, you went like 50 miles an hour up the hill.
Oh, it was fun though. It was fun.
We're going on to Star Wars with these cool glasses.
Our very last ride here in Discoveryland is Autopia. I think it's a little kid ride.
But you get to ride an old car, so I said yes, let's do it. I love these rides. Deborah makes fun of me for it, but they're so fun.
I'm gonna steal a spot. I'm gonna drive.
That would be so mean.
Do you fit?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I fit real easy.
Oh, yeah, like a
you almost
motor.
crashed us.
Already. That's the most underwhelming ride ever.
Do not recommend. Before we leave Discoveryland, we stopped at the cafe for some snacks. We got a cute little, they call it the BB-8 burger, and had to get their lemon macaroon also. Oh, it's got bacon on it.
Oh.
Not bad.
Is it a good one?
It was good though. Probably not up to French standards, but I think it's pretty good.
Fantasyland. That's our next part of the park. 2 out of 5.
It's time for the most classic ride in all of Disneyland. It's a small one. Are you good?
I'm good. I fit.
There's a moose. Are you gonna get lost? Oh no! We guessed wrong. Oh, this might be the right way. Oh! Oh. It's not fair. Tyler can just see over. You like touching it, don't you? You're making it really dusty back here. Yeah.
We made it back.
Woo!
We're waiting in line.
How long have we been in line for?
It's like 20 minutes probably. I bet it's only 20 minutes.
We're waiting in line for the Peter Pan ride. We're not even sure what it is, but hopefully it's worth it.
I think this is the one we might have missed.
We're over the city.
Oh.
I think that one might actually be my favorite ride.
That was fun.
And Peter Pan's right over there. He's walking.
No way.
See him? All right, should we go to Pinocchio?
Can we get some popcorn?
Yeah, you don't want to see him? Oh no, he's gone. Okay, popcorn it is.
I had to get popcorn.
Captain Jack Sparrow! Just took your popcorn!
Here we go.
Wow. Kind of scary.
We got eaten. I think that one's a little sporadic.
It's a little scary. We're gonna head over to Main Street, get some more food, fuel up before exploring the last 2 parts of Disneyland Paris.
And the parade.
Someone's excited.
Alright, so we stopped. You got a Mickey ham and cheese pretzel. Not bad.
I'll be more honest than Tyler. If there's one thing I wouldn't recommend so far at Disneyland, I think this sandwich might be it. After having a very mediocre sandwich, we made a very quick walk through Frontierland, but unfortunately, almost everything out here is under renovation right now and is closed, except for all the restaurants. So that means we only have one area left.
We just found a place with Mickey-shaped pizzas, so we're gonna go have a snack.
Snack 2, 3,
3.
4.
Should I cut off his ear?
I guess. Earless Mickey.
Earless Mickey. Oh yeah, next to pizza.
Better than the sandwich? Way better than the sandwich. I approve.
Just gonna walk and talk to the...
Yeah, let's have one.
Donc tu peux pas l'atteindre, espèce de reine.
Une fois, 2 fois.
Drink up, me on your rascals and scoundrels, villains and knights. They got me on your
Again, pretty creepy ride.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of the rides here are creepy in France.
But they did have a really cool restaurant. If you have the budget, I would definitely go to the Jack Sparrow restaurant because it was underground and it looked really cool. Tyler, what ride are we doing?
Indiana Jones roller coaster. Has an Indiana Jones roller coaster. I'm excited. Everybody's gonna take a nap.
No. I have a feeling this is gonna be a no video ride.
I would agree.
Looks intense. Okay, that was so much fun.
That one was really fun.
There's like a little loop in there. It's so sharp and fast. For sure my new favorite roller coaster.
I don't know, I still got Space Mountain, but this is second.
That officially means that it's time for the highlight of any trip to Disneyland.
The parade!
The parade! The only downside is they actually have a ton of the front row area for the parade blocked off for reservations, which you can pay for in their app. Luckily, we got here about 45 minutes early and we've still got front row seating.
It's starting to rain. Oh, there they come.
I see them. Thoughts on the parade?
That was actually really cool. They did it really well.
It was so magical. We saw Anna and Elsa and
Mickey.
Olaf and Mickey and Goofy. It was really cute. Decided to warm up really quick because it is freezing outside now after the parade. Got some hot chocolate, some Mickey waffles, and hopefully now that the park has cleared out a bit, we can hit a few more of the spots that we missed earlier in the day. I'm like shivering.
I am too.
Oh, it's so warm.
Is it good? We want to see the dragon.
We made it inside Sleeping Beauty's castle. Pretty cool. I convinced Tyler to go on the teacup.
She convinced me.
It's pink, Tyler.
Purple, same thing.
I told Tyler I wouldn't spin it, but I'm gonna spin it.
No, I'm out.
You're already in.
No, don't spin it.
Oh, I'm already nauseous.
Oh my god.
How you doing?
I'm nauseous. We don't even spin it.
Whoa! You survived.
I survived. We spun a lot though without spinning it.
We had originally planned to take the adventure train around the park to explore a bit more, but it closed when the parade started at 5. So we're just gonna go have some dinner and warm up for a little bit until the fireworks. As always, thanks for watching, and if you're craving more Disney, make sure to go watch our video from Disneyland Tokyo. Bye!